What's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at SVE's Drag Comp wheel designed for the 1979 to present Mustangs. So several years ago at the time of this video, we released our very first SVE drag wheel. Since the release of that wheel, it's been very successful and well loved by many Mustang enthusiasts. Now, because of the enduring love and support from all of you, we've deemed the OG SVE drag wheel as the Drag Classic, and it's currently still available on the site. But as time goes on, the next great idea usually comes to fruition, and it has with our SVE Drag Comp wheel. We took a simple yet aggressive approach with the design of the Drag Comp wheel. We were chasing a wheel design that would look great on any 1979 to present Mustang, regardless of the color, trim level, or the existing exterior modification. This dynamic design features a recessed center section with a crisp multi-spoke configuration. Both the front and rear wheels incorporate a mildly polished lip, and my personal favorite features for this wheel are the machine windows and the gloss black face. Like several other of our SVE wheels, offsets and backspacing dimensions are very important to us, and these measurements are something we don't make quote-unquote generic. The drag comps will feature the right offset and backspacing so they properly fit within the fenders and wheel wells on your Mustang. The SVE drag comp wheels are constructed from cast aluminum and are currently available in a few different sizes and bolt patterns. Now, because of this, I'm not going to get into all the little details for each individual wheel, as this is easily referenced on the product pages. But I will say this, since we strongly value customer feedback here at LMR, and the most asked question in regards to the Drag Classic was, can y'all make it in a 4-lug? Well, guess what? The Drag Comp is available for 1979 to 1993 Fox body Mustangs that are still rocking that 4-lug setup. Before you purchase a set of our SVE Drag Comp wheels, please thoroughly read over the product descriptions and the fitment notes. After all, our product development and marketing teams do a ton of work to ensure we do our absolute best to comb through all of the fine and small print when it comes to wheel fitment. In typical LMR fashion, you can purchase the SVE Drag Comp wheels by themselves, in a wheel-only kit, or in a wheel-entire kit that arrives at your doorstep, mounted, balanced, and ready to bolt onto the car. Furthermore, each wheel is currently supported by SVE's outstanding wheel warranty, which you can find out more information on the warranty by visiting the product pages. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video or you appreciate our commitment to excellent Mustang parts, smash that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do by now. For all things 1979 to present Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.